Breaking news. Oshomole was told to leave Edo if Obaseki defeats Eze Iyamu. Olusegun Bamgbose, the national coordinator concerning advocates for good governance, has told a former national chairman of All Progressive Congress, Adams Oshomole, to start packing his luggage to leave Edo State immediately should the incumbent governor Godwin Obaseki win the September 19, 2020 election. Bamgbose believes that the governorship election is between Oshomole and his former political godson Obaseki. He noted that the election will go down in history as the tallest one in the entire history of Edo State, considering the big guns and the big wigs involved. Acknowledging that the former governor and some big wigs of the APC will do everything within their power to win the election. The Lagos-based lawyer noted that it will spell down and the doom for Oshomole if Eze Iyamu fails to win. This is one election that Oshomole won't want to lose. It is a do or die affair to Oshomole. It is an election that will either make him or mar him for life. The senior lawyer said that in a chat with Daily Post, Oshomole's political career is attached to his volatile election. If he loses this election, it will mark the end of his political dynasty. Oshomole will certainly not take things for granted. Tinubu equally will do anything for Obaseki to lose to Pastor Eze Iyamu. The Edo election is no doubt a litmus for Tinubu's presidential ambition. If the APC governorship candidate loses, his presidential ambition will be jeopardized. On the other hand, Obaseki will not, for any reason, want to lose the election as incumbent governor. He will be ready to do anything within his political capacity to put Oshomole to big shame. The truth of the matter is that the Edo election is between Obaseki and Oshomole. However, if Eze Iyamu loses to Obaseki, Oshomole should get prepared to relocate from Edo State immediately. Edo will be hell to him if Eze Iyamu loses to Obaseki. The dead is cast, the battle line is drawn. Who will win is no doubt a 1 million naira question is stated. True talk, this man has said it all. He said that APC and APC has said it, that if Obaseki wins this election, then Adams Oshomole should pack his load and leave in shame, and leave Edo State with immediate effect in shame. That is true. Bamgbose believes that the governorship election is between Oshomole and Obaseki. That is true. This is now a competition between both of them. I just pray that Eze Iyamu wins this election. If not, it will become a big shame to Adams Oshomole. It's going to be a big shame. It's going to be a disaster between Adams Oshomole and Eze Iyamu. So I think Oshomole should make sure that Eze Iyamu wins this election, because if Obaseki peradventure wins, Oshomole and Eze Iyamu will pack their load, their bag and baggage from Edo State to wherever they came from. Oshomole is a very good person. He has tried enough, he has tried a lot to make sure that his his godson, Governor Obaseki, made it. He supported him during his first term in first term when he was trying to come out as the governor of Edo State. He supported Obaseki. At the end of the day, Obaseki won the election. What happened at the end? What happened at the end of the day? Obaseki, that Oshiomhole supported, betrayed him, and he betrayed him and told him that he's no longer his godfather. Imagine that. Imagine that. So Obaseki is now standing on his own without any godfather, because he has decided, he has made up his mind that Oshiomhole is no longer his godfather, since he believes so much on himself alone. So do you expect Oshiomhole to not to have a godson? No. So he took Ize-Iyamu as his godson. And I'm very much sure, I'm certain that Obaseki will never win this election. Oshiomhole has always fought for anyone he supports, or that's his godson. Anyone coming out, or anybody candidate coming out and Oshiomhole is supporting, will surely wins any election person is coming out for. Oshiomhole is a sure man. You know, for Oshiomhole then, Obaseki wouldn't have won the election, wouldn't have won the last election. So Oshiomhole has always been supporting any of the candidates he elected to win this election. So I'm very much sure that Ize-Iyamu will be the one to win this election and not Obaseki. I've said it before that Oshiomhole is always a godfather to any of his candidates. What I meant is that whosoever candidate Oshiomhole chooses is always ahead, will always win the election. So this talk about Oshiomhole and Ize-Iyamu packing their loads and bag and baggage to wherever they came from if Obaseki wins this election is just a gagabash. It's just a nonsense talk as far as I'm concerned. So I think Bambuche should just sit down, keep short, and watch who wins this election. I'm very much sure that Obaseki will be the one to leave this Edo State, not Oshiomhole. So viewers, what is your take on this news? Your comment concerning this news is of great importance. Please don't hesitate to drop all your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to receive updates whenever I publish any new videos. And please don't forget, like and also share this news with friends as well. Thank you as you do. Have a wonderful day. Bye.